guys, welcome back to another video. This one's a little bit different. We've already had our fishing session and we've had some brilliant fish, haven't we?
Yeah, we have. Yeah. We've managed to have a weather window. We managed to get out to where we wanted to get out, and obviously with this new boat, we can get out a lot further. And I think it paid off, hasn't it? I don't think you'll regret watching this one.
Safe to say that we've caught some fish in this video, so stick around and yeah, we'll see you soon. Well, we've literally just got here. Paul's on.
Paul's got a dogfish.
Paul's got a first dogfish of the day.
Dogfish of the day.
Tell you what, it's lovely and flat calm out here.
Oh, it's great.
Beautiful. Just fishing near Sealand over there. I think Paul's out there as well. Well,
they won't notice.
That's the only place people will notice.
And guess what? Paul called it right.
Dogfish?
A very tangled dogfish.
That's a big dogfish, yeah. Yeah, dogfish, yeah. Well, first fish goes to Paul. Well done. Skipper's in.
Again.
Yeah, another doggy. Oh, I've got a bottom back one over there and all.
You stick to what you're good at, Danny. Make tea.
I'll make the tea. You keep an eye on me rods.
I'll keep an eye on them rods, mate. Don't you worry about that.
Thank you very much.
Right, Danny's got a fish on. Looks better than a dogfish. Well, he hopes so anyway, otherwise he's going to look a bit of a nana. Danny's saying he's got a smooth down. What are you predicting then, Danny?
I don't know.
Dogfish?
You know what, it probably is.
It's probably going to be a dogfish.
If it has just taken half a mackerel now, it's fighting more than a dogfish. Unless there's two dogfish.
Two dogfish fighting over half a mackerel.
Yeah.
What are your predictions there, Captain?
I reckon spur dog.
Spur dog?
Yeah.
Jamie?
Spur dog.
I reckon it's a whiting.
The way that shot off. Yeah, it went for it, didn't it? And then I'm not standing here with a net for no reason.
Well, we're going to see in a minute. Come on, Danny, you're making a meal of it.
No, I'll tell you what, it's that tide that's ripping through here.
Oh no, yeah, that tide is ripping through here.
Yeah, that's fine more than that.
Oh, what is it? Smooth hound?
Spur dog. Nice spur dog. Is that a spur dog? Yep. That's a lovely spur dog.
Here it comes.
Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. He took
half a mackerel.
Oh,
whole mackerel.
Yeah, he's fighting no species for the day.
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
That's well over.
That's a nice fish.
Well,
that's a lovely fish.
We've over £20 of being caught. I think that's somewhere near. Well done, Danny.
Yeah.
What a fish.
Whoa,
look at him.
That's a cracker. That's a beauty.
From Danny. Look at that. What a lovely fish. What a
Dripping in me tea and I don't care. I don't care. Look at that. Beauty.
That is a nice fish.
Yeah.
Nice fish. How long is he, Danny? Can you measure him?
Yeah, we can.
Well, actually, it's a female.
We'll try and get around all these.
Oh, you got to put
I'd say his or she is
115.
got to be something like 115.
Yeah, 114, 115 centimetres.
Yeah.
Lovely fish, though, mate.
Or? Yeah.
Lovely.
Right, guys. I'm well happy. I'm chuffed to bits with this fish. Well done. Go on. Just like that. Well done, mate. Yeah, cheers, Dylan. Brilliant.
Woo! It's got somebody else's line, that's why.
Have you?
Yeah.
Who's?
I know, eh?
I was going to say.
There's two dogfish.
Are they both after the same?
Yeah, I've hooked one on the top hook
and one on the bottom.
and one on the bottom hook. Look at that.
Double doggy.
Cool, that top one's a big one. That top one's a big one, isn't it?
Cool, isn't it?
That's on the pennel rig.
Nice one.
Dogfish. Yep.
Are we on again? We're on again. We're on again.
That ain't a dogfish.
I'll get the net in a minute, Paul.
That ain't a dogfish.
Jamie's got the net. Oh, Jamie's got it. Come on, guys. This is what we're
that's a
out
nice
here
shot.
for. Yeah, this is it. What bait you got there, Paul?
Half a mackerel.
Mackerel's the one.
7/0 hook. This.
I said it's weird. They take it. It's not like a normal bite, is it?
That was.
It feels weird. You feel like it's just like a heavy dogfish, and then all of a sudden it's
I
like.
didn't even think I got a fish on there.
Yeah. Let's get these out of the way.
Will this be the second one?
Radio's going mad today. A lot of people catching. Fight well once they know, don't they?
Oh, this is definitely.
It's initial sort of, the initial bite is just, it's a bit of a strange one.
Like a really, you'd expect it to hammer
almost
off.
like a ray, isn't it? They sort of bite it, but then you know you've got it, and it's sort of heavy, and then yeah, just do let him know that we all want to fish today, and you know, I'll go home in a couple of hours, you know.
I've got work Tuesday on the phone.
Phone in sick, Jamie, if this is good.
The rate this is going, you boys are going to need another shave.
We're going to have a little baby one.
It's probably about £3.
It's probably a dogfish.
Just if we run a tie.
Got a load of weed around.
That ain't £3.
Got a load of weed around it to white down.
Oh, nice. Taking line, isn't he?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice fish.
He's not as big as yours.
Still a nice fish, nonetheless. Oh, that's a nice one. Big belly. It's a chunk.
I'll walk back away.
Well, forget. He's now bitten in there. He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. Yeah. He's got it. Come on, boys. Come on. Well done, Paul. Hey.
Oh, I don't know.
Whoa. Oh. That's Miles, is it all?
That's a heavy old thing.
That's
a nice fish.
That's a nice fish.
That's a very nice fish. That is a nice fish. Right, we'll get sorted and we'll get back to you.
What do you reckon he is?
Right. Measure time. Yeah, right. Pretty much at the. That's pretty much a tip, yeah. 105. Oh, lovely. What a fish.
And I think it's a female. Yeah. And
Very
she's
nice.
Going back.
Very nice. Well done, mate.
Cracking
spot. Yeah. Yeah. Well done, bud. Well done, matey. Great stuff.
Right. Definitely need a cup of tea now. Well, there he is.
That's a doggy.
Yeah.
So what was he caught on then?
Right, well I caught him on squid. So, on this one, just got a little, well not little, 7/0 hook,
Yep.
running ledger, simple as that. Little stop bead there,
And that's what you had the spur dog on as well,
and
was
that's
it?
what I had the spur
Yeah.
on as well. Yeah,
Very simple rig to catch.
yeah,
Very
really
big
simple. Just £50 mono,
Yeah.
£60 braid.
Nice. Well done.
So, simple as that.
As you can see, quite a few boats out here today.
More lead.
Go on, you're right. Got a big dredger over there. There's a little Orkney there. Another boat there. Another one just behind Jamie. Yeah, quite a few out today. A lovely day. Easy deals. Yeah, Stillen's finally got a good one on. And this is not a dogfish.
We don't know yet.
Got a bit of dogfish fights like that. We're all going to be asking him what bait that was caught on in a minute.
That caught on, Dylan?
I can't.
Squid.
A whole squid, I think.
Yeah.
That's a smooth down, that one.
Yeah. Make a bit of a meal of it, Danny.
Making a meal of it. Stripping lines. Yeah. Well, as long as we don't have to wait 20 minutes like we did for yours, Paul, we'll be alright.
Oh, here we go. He was having a nice day as well.
Nice day. Oh, he's put up a fight, isn't he?
Yeah.
That's definitely a 20 pounder.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was spur dog.
He's not even coming up. He will not even come up. Big boy, eh?
Such a good feeling, isn't it?
Yeah, I love it.
Such a good feeling.
Oh,
He's coming backwards.
oh, the spur coming backwards.
He's all wrapped up, that's why.
Yeah.
That's why it's a battle.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh, that's a nice one, Dylan.
That's a very nice fish.
Nice.
Yeah!
Come
Oh, that's the biggest of the day.
One of the day.
Look how chunky that is.
That's proper.
Jesus, that's a big fish. What's that, 100 and... Yeah, about 5? Yeah, about 105. About the same as Paul's actually, but I'll tell you what, that's definitely thicker. Chunk of a fish. What a fish. A cracking fish. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at it. Lovely spur dog. Yeah. He's going to go straight back, guys. What a lovely fish. Yes. Off he goes for another day.
Well, Dylan, well done.
Nice one.
Well
Beautiful.
done, old boy.
Cheers, mate.
Well, that's all kicking off on real therapy. Paul's
First
now got a
move out.
smoothie. Yeah, beautiful. Well done, Paul. Nice fish.
Nice.
First smooth hound of the year. Hopefully many more of them to come.
Yeah,
And a lot bigger as well, eh?
a lot bigger. But
Yeah.
that's a nice little male, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nice.
Jamie's on. Little doggy.
Yeah, that is a little doggy as well.
Nice one. Well done, mate. Well guys, we're back in the marina and this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed catching those fish.
Good fun, wasn't it?
We're definitely going to be back out there, you can count on that. Thanks for watching, see you again. See you later.
See ya.